Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you the features of ChatGPT to provide feedback. When you open the left column, you can easily start a new chat or you can access your previous chats. Basically, when you put your questions in the chat box, ChatGPT will provide you answers regarding your questions. If you don't feel satisfied with your answers, you can click the Regenerate button. After that, you can put negative or positive feedback for your new answers. You can use the small arrows to see the answers that AI provided. To get your feedback, you can ask the ChatGPT to correct your sentences grammatically, to paraphrase your sentences, or to correct your punctuation marks. You can also ask ChatGPT to improve your paragraphs stylistically. However, you should always double-check the answers. The corrections and suggestions by ChatGPT are not always fully correct, and that learners should therefore consult additional resources to verify the suggestions that are provided. Additionally, you can ask it to give feedback on provided texts. You can even provide additional material to use when giving feedback.